Beautiful birds. Meet the birds. Look, what is that soaring through the bright blue sky? It is a beautiful bird. How can you tell something is a bird? Birds are the only animals that have feathers, 2 wings, 2 legs, and a beak. So here's a cardinal. The cardinal has feathers, his beak, wings, 2 legs, and they're warm-blooded. A bird's body temperature stays the same no matter how warm or cold it is outside. They are warm-blooded. Most birds can fly, but not all of them. Penguins are flightless birds. They use their wings as flippers to swim through the water. And not all flying creatures are birds. Bats are mammals. They have hair, not feathers. There are about 10,000 different kinds of birds that live all over the world. Birds come in every color you can possibly imagine. Take the peacock, for example. That's a peacock feather, way up close. Bird skills. Birds have excellent eyesight. They use their eyes to spot food. Some eat plants, some eat fruit, some eat other creatures, including bugs, mice, and snakes. Here's an owl eating a snake. Ugh. Birds make sounds to communicate with other birds. Parrots can even be trained to repeat words. Parrot saying hello. Some birds migrate. They travel long distances every year. They fly to cool places for the summer and warm places for the winter. Migrating geese fly together to form a V shape. Many birds build nests. Nests are a perfect place to lay eggs. They are also a perfect place to raise chicks. All birds lay eggs. Amazing birds. Want to meet some amazing birds? Marabou storks have wingspans up to 13 feet. That's wider than a bus. Peregrine falcons are also the fastest flyers. They can go 90 miles an hour. That is faster than a cheetah and way, way faster than the quickest person ever. So there's a person, a cheetah, and the peregrine falcon. Ostriches are the biggest birds. They can grow to be up to 9 feet tall. An ostrich would even tower over the tallest basketball player in the world. Ostriches also lay the largest eggs of any bird. There's an ostrich egg right there. It's huge, and then that's just a little chicken egg. The smallest birds are hummingbirds. Sometimes these tiny wonders fly into yards to sip nectar from flowers. There are so many beautiful birds to see. You just have to look around. The end.